Hello, the JAM aspirants of the year 2025. In this channel, I am going to cover the entire syllabus for the JAM examination going to be held in the year 2025 February. Those who are preparing for the JAM 2025 examination can follow my channel. I will cover the entire syllabus before the month of February. Okay, in this video, I am going to discuss 10 questions from the question paper in the year 2022. Okay, let's move into the video. Okay, let us discuss the questions from 1 to 10. Each question carries 1 mark. Okay, there will be a negative marking. Suppose if you answer the question wrongly, you will lose one third of the mark. Therefore, it is better to avoid, if you don't know the answer, better to avoid that question than answering. First question is the reagent required for the following transformation. What type of transformation involved in this reaction? The reaction in here it is keto group. Okay, keto group is reduced, but the carboxylic acid group does not affect it. This group is reduced to CH2. This type of transformation, ketone into alkane, is the characteristics of Clemmensen reduction. And the Clemmensen reagent is nothing but zinc amalgam with hydrochloric acid. Therefore, answer is D. Okay, then let us see about what the sodium borohydride and lithium aluminum hydride will do is it will reduce both keto group and acid group. Therefore, it is not suitable for this type of transformation. And this is the reagent used for hydroboration. Okay. Therefore, the answer is D, zinc amalgam in the presence of hydrochloric acid. Second question is the major product formed in the following reaction. This involves two set of reagents. The first step, it will converted into, the reactant is nothing but a substituted alkene, okay, methyl cyclohexene, which is in reaction with BD3-THF. Here in borane, hydrogen is replaced with, for hydrogen, it is replaced with deuterium. Okay, what will happen? This reaction also involves two types of concepts. One is anti-Markovnikov. Anti-Markovnikov reaction and syn addition. Syn addition means nothing but both the incoming groups attached to the same side of the same phase of the molecule is syn addition. Okay. First, this is converted into what? After the addition of this reagent, what will be the product? The product is here D. Okay, therefore it is called as anti-Markovnikov. The D is attached to more substituted carbon, and here BD. Then this is on reaction with hydrogen peroxide and sodium hydroxide. What will happen is the oxidation reaction taking place, which replaces BD2 with OH group. Therefore, the product is a racemic mixture. Two type of isomers will form. Here D, OH. Then here methyl. Okay, DOH in the same phase. Therefore, this is the right answer. B is the answer. The next question is the major product formed in the following reaction. In this reaction, the sodium hydroxide, the reaction involves the reflection of sodium hydroxide. Okay, there are two aldehyde groups. According to this reaction is Cannizzaro reaction. In the Cannizzaro reaction, one of the aldehyde molecule is converted into an acid, another one is reduced into an alcohol. one of the aldehyde group oxidized into acid, other one is reduced into alcohol. Okay, how it is happen? This is aldehyde group. Here, this two aldehyde groups are in the same molecules. Therefore, intramolecular reaction is taking place. One of the group is oxidized to acid, another one is reduced to aldehyde. First, the sodium hydroxide. This OH group attaching this carbon, this double bond, the electron, this OH group attacking this carbon, and the electron present in the double bond shifted here. Okay. Now what is the product? This here C double bond O. This hydride is transferred to this carbon. Then the product is OH. Here this is ONA. Then proton abstraction is taking place. What maybe the product is? Okay, this is the product. Where is that product? Here. Here this hydrogen is replaced by Na. Therefore the product. Okay, therefore the product is this C double bond OONA and CH2OH. Therefore the correct option is A. A is the correct option. All other as B, C, D all wrong. And then the next question, the major product formed in the following reaction. Which is the major product? Potassium is an alkali metal. Usually lithium form oxide and sodium form peroxide in the presence of oxygen. Other alkali metals like potassium, rubidium, cesium, they are all form superoxide. Therefore, the right option is C. This is superoxide. And then which one of the following options is best suited for affecting the transformation? What is the transformation here? Here, this OH group does not affect it, but the aldehyde group is oxidized to carboxylic acid group. Okay, there are four reagents there. If a manganese oxide, what will do? It will oxidize both hydroxyl group and the aldehyde group. Therefore, it is not suitable. Here also the same. This is also not suitable. This is MPV, Mervyn Pontroff Gurley reduction. Okay, this is reduction, but here oxidation involves. Therefore, this is also not suitable. Then final one is tolerance reagent. Okay, all of you know the tolerance reagent specifically oxidizes the aldehyde group into acid group. Answer is D. And then the structure of xenon octafluoride. Okay, is cubic or hexagonal bipyramid or square antiprism octagonal? We have to find out. Okay, here there is no lone pair of electrons. There are totally 8 bonding pairs. And therefore, according to VS-EVR theory, the shape of this xenon octafluoride is square antiprism. Structure of xenon octafluoride. Okay, And the question number 7 is among the following, the compound that forms the strongest hydrogen bond is. Okay, in the strongest hydrogen bonding, see, depending upon two factors. One is its electronegativity. Another one is size. More electronegative atom will form stronger hydrogen bond, and a smaller size atom will form stronger hydrogen bond. Here, comparing fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine, the more electronegative atom is fluorine. Size also smaller than chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Therefore, the answer is A. Okay, next question. Among the following, the biomolecule with the direct metal carbon bond is. Okay, there are four options given. The coenzyme B12, that is nothing but the vitamin B12. Here, the carbon metal bond MC is there because the metal involved in this molecule is cobalt. Cobalt is directly attached to methyl group. Therefore, metal carbon bond is present in coenzyme B12. In the case of nitrogenase, it is the cluster of molybdenum and iron. There is no direct metal carbon bond in it. In this, in the chlorophyll, magnesium is attached to the nitrogen atom of porphyrin ring. In hemoglobin, the iron is attached to nitrogen in the porphyrin ring. Therefore, the right answer is A. Okay, which involves direct metal carbon bonding. The rate expression is given as this. If the concentration of H2PO2 minus is double the rate, what will be the rate? Okay, this is the equation, rate equation. Okay, minus. Okay, suppose if you increasing the concentration of H2PO2 minus, what will happen? You are doubling the concentration. Therefore, 2H2PO2 minus square. Then 2KPO2 minus OH minus 2. Therefore, the rate is doubled. The answer is C. Then, the nature of interaction involved at the gas-solid interface in physical adsorption is. The physical adsorption does not involve any chemical bond. Therefore, the interaction between the gas and solid surface, that is the adsorbent and adsorbate, is van der Waals forces of attraction. Therefore, the answer is B. Okay, students, I will see you in the next video. Okay, thank you till then. Bye.